Okay, traders, this is live. SMH 260 put, they hit $2.60 and then went up $10 higher. We had 20 contracts. That's good for about 18,000 profit. Yes, you could let us guide you in it and you can get the same profits. Okay, SMH is in the semiconductors and they're down 1457 and we see them going lower. My point to you fellas and gals is 260 is the entry. You have 20 contracts, you're up 20 grand. And that is intraday on the SMH. Why do you continue to not sign up? Why do you continue to let these big gains go by? Why do you continue to not want our software? Why? Ask yourself why. These are big gains and they're nothing to ignore. We got them. We locked and loaded. We got them on the channel. We got them on the website. Listen, this is the biggest payday we've had in the SMH in the last 6 months, it seems like. But this was bigger than a bigger payday right here on the SMH 260 put option. Sign up right now. Don't let another gain pass you by.